Just got a new Apple Watch? Let's connect it to your iPhone in a few simple steps so you can start tracking your activity, notifications, and health data right away. Step 1. Turn on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth turned on and is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. Step 2. Bring your Apple Watch close to your iPhone. A pairing screen should automatically appear on your iPhone asking if you want to set up the Apple Watch. Step 3. Tap Continue on your iPhone or open the Apple Watch app manually if the pairing screen does not appear. Step 4. Hold your iPhone over the animation shown on the Apple Watch screen. Your phone will scan the pattern and automatically pair with the watch. Step 5. After pairing, choose Setup as New Apple Watch or Restore from a backup if you have used an Apple Watch before. Step 6. Sign in with your Apple ID and follow the setup instructions. You can enable features like location services, Siri, and activity tracking. Step 7. Create or confirm your Apple Watch passcode and customize settings such as notifications, Apple Pay, and fitness tracking options. Step 8. Wait while your iPhone finishes syncing apps and data to the watch. Once the sync is complete, your Apple Watch will be ready to use. For more quick tech tutorials and easy step-by-step guides, follow the channel and save this video so you can come back anytime you need help.